Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to remove and create system partition in UEFI mode. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk space, 0. Type list space, partition. Find your system partition. Type delete space, partition space, override. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Star indicate under GPT, partition is UEFI. Type select space, disk space, 0. Type list space, partition. No system partition is available or corrupted. Type create space, partition space, UEFI. Type list space, partition. System partition is created successfully. Type format space, fs equal FAT32. Type assign space, letter equals Z. Type exit. cdmkdir space, Z colon backslash UEFI. cdmkdir space, Z colon backslash UEFI backslash Microsoft. Type cd space, /d space, Z colon backslash UEFI backslash Microsoft. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. Type bcd boot space, C colon backslash Windows space, /ln-s space, /s space, Z colon space, /f all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.